Hey there, Nunez! Alexander Nunez here, and today I got this is the big ass package that I ever seen. So anyway, I got this from the United Post Service. They tell me to get it, so I see in the mail that they just sent me a envelope, but yes, I don't have any scissors, and another thing, I'll tell you that what me and my brother were gonna plan of. We're just gonna go see Suicide Squad. Who's gonna come is Nico, Jose, Cain, and me, because I'm gonna be there. But he told me that we're gonna watch it together because they don't want me, because Cain don't want Nico, Jose, and me and Cain to forget me. And I just tell them that don't go without me. But anyway, yeah. But X-Men Apocalypse, they even go and see me because they forgot me. Yeah. Anyway, so yeah. Okay. Okay, so this is the box what it looks like. And alright, then we cut this. I know I already have this. Okay. Go there. There we go. Alright. Okay. Okay, I got this. Yeah, this is I know this is the... Yeah, I got this. I can't believe they sent me this. I'm gonna review it after this. Deadpool, Scarlet Witch, Iron Spider. Okay, Batman helmets. Atom from DC's Legends of Tomorrow, Spawn, Black Widow, Jared Leto Joker, and Thanos. Anyway, I'm so excited that I already got this. So, yes, this is the one that I'm gonna get. This is Thanos, Spawn, Atom, Scarlet Witch, Iron Spider, Black Widow, Deadpool, and Jared Leto Joker, and especially one of these Batman masks. I ordered 10 of them because I don't want to waste them. But adding one of these. But yeah, you can see that I already have 2 Flash, and I already have Magneto's helmets, so I already have enough. So yes, I'm working on Harley Quinn, and yes, I'm working on Harley Quinn. I'm not finished yet, but I will gonna do this. But you can see that I'm painting this, but I don't know the details what it looks like. So I'm making a card just so you guys can know me, that who I am, that I'm on the mall, that we're gonna go to the mall, that me, Cain, Nico, and Jose, we're gonna go see Suicide Squad. After we just go get there, and then we're just waiting for the movie, we go to the mall, and then you're gonna see my tag there. It said Alexander Nunez and my new play button, that you can know me. But anyway, okay, you guys, that's it. And don't forget to subscribe, favorite, comment, and give this video a thumbs up. Check me on Facebook, check me on Instagram, and Support, that means bring me money. Alright, have a nice day. You too. Bye.